I think we have made.
Hmm. Try. We had I think, audio conversation last time.
Yes, yes, audio conversation.
Hmm.
Hmm. So I know you.
I
Okay,
also
so
know you.
okay. So you also did not forget me, huh?
Yes, how can I forget you when I
Mm-hmm.
have the conversation with you?
Mm. Okay, so we have known each other for a couple of months. Despite of this, I want to know more about you, if you don't mind.
Why would I mind?
Okay.
Okay. Well, my name is Ashpal. I'm from UP. I came to master in political science. My hobbies are reading books, diary writing, practicing yoga. It's all about me.
Oh, great.
Hmm.
So now so I'm going to also introduce myself. Well, my name is Amrit Rai. I am from Bihar. I'm currently pass and I have been doing job in the Kuwait. Now I'm talking to you from the Kuwait, and I run YouTube channel. Yeah, that's all about
So,
me.
where are you right now? Are you in Kuwait or in UP?
I'm from Bihar actually, and now I am in Kuwait. It is called
Oh,
foreign country.
yes, got it, got it. And what's your name? It's actually I sometimes I don't able to pronounce your name. Would you like to
Okay,
pronounce your name?
so let me tell you what is my name. So my name is Israel. Izrail. Israel. It is not like that country. Country name Israel. Don't say.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, I confuse in that way.
It is
Okay.
can say meaning different. Israel. Israel. It is country name.
I
Okay.
know. And so, okay, so what is the meaning of your name?
Okay. Izrail. You can see.
No, like my name is Rajpal. Okay, so my
Hmm.
like the essence of my name is the king. So what is the essence of your name?
Mm-hmm. Okay. So I think. Uh, do you
Have you
know?
searched? Have you
Huh?
searched ever? Have you searched ever? Did you try to understand what is the meaning of your name?
Yes, I know very well, but recently I am forgetting. Okay.
Okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's all right. Okay, so tell me, do you have any topic?
Yeah, really, I have topic. So
Or do you have
you know,
forgotten?
just no.
Okay.
I have forgotten. Actually, uh, we are talking. We are learning English through the internet. Okay, so we will try to discuss. About the internet. What is the
Hmm.
advantage and what is the disadvantage? I want to know from your side.
So do you want to ask me the advantage or disadvantage of internet or the social media like these apps?
Yeah, you are right.
Which one? Net or social media?
Internet, no social media, internet.
Okay, the right topics, very excellent topic. So yes, it's a very, I would say it's a very crucial for us having internet. We are living in the 21st century and we are inventing new things. Internet is the one of them. So through internet we can access to anything whatever is it there on the net. And I would say that it is internet, it's a net. We are connecting and we are scaling up our knowledge, we are learning new skills because of it. And I think it just begun just more or less a 20 year back. Before that we didn't have that kind of internet. We had just a satellites phone, just for not having the proper connectivity. So we are now developing in that way.
Mhm. Yeah, you are right. Whatever you said, it is true. And really, I can say, just because of internet, we are talking each other. We are learning English. We are
Mm,
developing ourselves.
right.
Okay, and we can do so many things through the internet.
Hmm.
Okay, want to watch any movie, any drama, any comedy video, we can watch. If you
Hmm.
are teacher, then you can take online class.
Right.
Okay, for students, if you want to save money, if you don't want to go other place, then you can also take class through the online, through the internet, and you can learn according your choice.
Right.
Not just like not just like that, English language, whatever you want to learn according to you.
Right.
Okay. And if you have good knowledge, if you don't know how to operate the computer, after that you do also work while sitting home. You can do work, and as well as you can make money.
Yes, true.
And if you are a businessman, so you can say do the job. You can say
Mm,
do the you can say you can get the work, get the work done. Okay.
correct.
And nowadays, online is shopping. Online is shopping and going on. Very well. So nowadays you can say lots of people can say they want to purchase through the internet, right?
Mm,
And they,
true.
you can say within an hour, you know, we are given project,
Mm,
which we ordered. So we
right.
are doing so many things. Okay.
Yes, you have spoken out about advantage and importance of having the
Yeah.
environment.
Yeah.
Let me let, yes, of course. I mean, like anything, not just about internet. If there is any new invention, so of course there would be advantage, disadvantage. Same here with the internet. Let me count the disadvantage of having the internet. The first thing is that we are not spending our time with quality. For example, let me give an example. Before, not having the internet, we used to spend a lot of the time with our family members, our friends. But now we have the good quality of the internet. We are spending, that time which we used to spend with our friends, family member, with our online friend. That is the one disadvantage. Another disadvantage about gossiping on the internet. We make the friends on the online, we forget about what are the duties we have. We are spending huge time on the different social media platform because of the very smooth network connectivity, because of the internet.
Mhm.
And another is the student spend a lot of the time on playing online game because of the internet. And we have seen also crime against everywhere, whether women, male, females, everywhere. Cyber attacks, cyber crime, because of the internet. And
Yeah.
students, of course, they misuse the internet, not focusing on the study, focusing on the chattings, because of the internet. A lot of the things are there when we come to on the disadvantage of the internet.
Yeah. Yeah, nobody actually, we are habitual to use. We have become habitual to use
Right.
the internet,
True.
and everyone is habitual to use internet. If you don't have the internet, okay, so somehow you will try to get the mobile recharge. Oh my God, I don't have any. What should I do? What should I do? And definitely, you do so many things.
Yes, when people don't have the internet in their phone, people go crazy.
And I
Like,
think we might not survive without internet nowadays, right?
yes, I mean, this day, these days, now in this day
Mhm,
and the age, we are so much,
mhm,
obsessed with internet. We can't
mhm.
actually imagine without having our phone
Yeah,
and with the internet.
yeah,
In my case, when I don't have the net in my phone, I feel like I'm totally lost. Somehow I have to have the
mhm,
internet, whether it's my Wi-Fi, my plans. It's happened
mhm.
with each and everyone. And but I would say one thing that as a technology, it is depend upon us how we are exploring the things. Because we
Mhm.
have the two choice, whether you want to utilize it or misutilize it. It is depend upon you. If you utilize it in the better way, it is very worthy for you. If you misutilize it, it is the worthless for you. Depend
Yeah,
upon
really.
the person to person,
Mhm.
how you,
We must
look
have
at it.
knowledge. We must have knowledge that how to use and
Right.
how many hours should I use internet. We must have
Mm,
knowledge. Okay.
true.
If you keep on using entire day, definitely it will going to harmful you. So it is not
Right.
good. You must have knowledge. And earlier you
Mm,
can see, if you go, you mentioned that 20 years back. At that time
mm,
we did not have internet, right?
right.
So we we used to spend our time with friends, fathers, mothers, fathers. But nowadays we don't want to spend, time with our friends and father, mother. We have forget all things, right? Only we keep on using internet all times. When you get up, you try to check out your mobile. Okay. When you get free time, suddenly you try to watch any kind of movies and drama, so many things. Lots of people, they watch unnecessary things. Okay.
Correct. Correct.
Because they don't have any specific goal. They don't want to do anything in their life. Okay.
Hmm.
And they are using unnecessary things.
Right. But generally, we say that we are not spending our time with our family members. I want to ask you, how much time do you spend with your family members when we come to India?
Yeah, you see, I try to spend. Actually,
I
I'm
don't see.
living alone here.
Let me
I'm
say, I
living alone
don't see.
here. Okay.
Whatever you tell me, I will just accept it. I will embrace that you are saying the truth. You have to tell me honestly.
Nowadays, see, actually, I'm alone here. So when I go to my India, so uh, uh, I try to whole life, the whole entire day. I
Hmm.
try to spend my time entire day with my family member.
Now, are you married?
Yes, yes, I'm married. That's why I'm saying you. I I don't go so far. Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Yes, because generally we say that we are not spending our time with our family members, friends. We generally complain about that. But when we
Mm-hmm.
get the time to spend with them, our family members, we don't actually, spend our time. That is why I'm asking to you. Generally we blame
Mm-hmm.
that I don't have the time. How should I spend
I
the
have
time?
seen I have seen in my village area. That's why I'm saying you like this. After
Hmm.
having mobile, the children forget their students. They keep on playing PUBG, any games, okay, any watching movies. They forget everything. Okay,
That,
sometimes when you call me, okay, they don't listen to you.
right, right.
Okay,
When you
I have
when did you purchase your last your phone first time? At first time?
first time see when I was in India at that time I did not have telephone. Okay, so when I came Kuwait in 2014. Okay, so after 3 months when I earned money, after 3 months I purchased telephone.
So you came to Kuwait 10 year ago.
Yeah, I have been in the Kuwait for last 10 years. So earlier, I did not have idea that I should learning this. Okay,
I think
so
I think we have collected a lot of the money from the Kuwait. Am I
okay,
right?
yeah,
Kuwait dinar.
still I am getting money, and what can I say? That I have not become a rich person. Okay, because
No,
we
of
are
course.
hungry. We are hungry. Suppose we have lots of money. After that we are hungry. Despite of this, we are hungry. And we want more money. It is human nature.
I don't have that nature. I just want the such a money. My family can be satisfied. I also can be satisfied. It's very much simple for me. I'm not the someone that I will get that much money, that much money. I'm not like that.
Okay, okay, yeah,
If I
yeah.
have the 1 crores, I would be very much satisfied for my whole life. Now, if I get the 1 crores, I would be very
Mm.
much satisfied.
Okay, so now I think you must be unmarried. That's why you don't want money, right? Am I right?
No, after marriage also, I think 1 crores are so much money.
After marriage, when you will be bothered by your wife, okay. After that, you want money anyhow. At that time, you will think, "Oh my God, I do work. I do work nowadays."
Oh, it means wife is someone who charges a lot of the money from the husband.
Hmm?
Okay.
Yeah, if you get
Okay.
good partner, definitely you will not be bothered. Uh, I'm
Hmm.
totally agree with you.
So, do you know that Skype is going to ban?
No, but I don't have idea. But someone told me, but I don't know.
Yes. Yes, on the 5th May, after 2 months, it will be discontinued. We will
So
not be
after
able
that,
to talk for.
after that, what will we do?
I have created my channel on the on the Telegram, where we can talk.
Okay, no, no problem, no problem. We can talk, no problem. And I
Hmm.
will talk because we are all learning here. Okay,
Right.
so definitely we should learn. We should go ahead. Okay, so tell
Yes,
me,
it's
uh, when I met you first time, I was not able to speak that much. So how is my English? Give me some feedback.
how can I give you feedback? I think how you have
Because
improved a lot.
because I don't have that much knowledge as you have. That's why.
Yes, because you are working abroad, and I'm a student, so maybe that reason. Yes, you are doing great, but let's see what happen in the future when we don't have this Skype. How we will do the practice? That would be the trigger point for everyone.
Yeah, really, really, and we will try to talk. We'll try to practice. Okay.
How we will try it? How will we try? We will not have that much, so many options.
Hmm. Maybe
That's
you can say maybe we might have any option to talk. Let's see
mm,
what will happen in future. Nowadays you can say it is not going to close.
it's
So don't
going to
worry.
close. It's going to close. I will share my channel link to you, and you can see on my community post where it's very much clear.
Okay, definitely I will fix it. Okay, so I'm getting one call if you don't mind. So we should
Yes, yes, we can. Yes, we
remove the
can.
call. Okay,
Okay,
thank you
bye.
so much.
Bye. Thank